Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Speak up. All right. Thank you.
Said good evening.
It was a little low, so I expected, I'm a bubbly, energetic person, so I expect everyone to be shouting when I say good evening. All right. Very good evening to all of you. I'm really happy here to be MC for today. Thank you, Ms. Vijayalakshmi, for the wonderful introduction. Today's theme is investment in education gives the best interest. It's a known fact. If that would be a table topic for me, I would say yes, I agree to that, and I'll tell something about it to add my more points. But today I'm going to explain and share how this investment in education makes me feel very good. This is a time around 2005 when I was settled in California, and one of our friends, he was doing part-time MBA. So my husband came to me and he said, no, even I wanted to do an MBA. So I said, okay, go ahead, do it. I was mentally prepared that now he's going to do an MBA and he's going to be really busy in the evenings and over the weekends. That was planned. For a couple of months, he didn't say a single word about MBA. After 6-7 months, he came back to me and said, okay, I'm done with my GMAT, I'm done with the TOEFL, I applied to these places, I got admission in 2 places, I'm interested in a place which is in Atlanta. I said, okay, so where is Atlanta? So I opened the US map and there is here are we in California and all the way here there's Atlanta. He said, no, it's not that far, it just only takes 6 hours. I said, okay, that's good, by flight. Okay, so I gave a big, as a typical wife, I gave a big drama, and then after this, okay, if you want to do MBA, I'll not stop, you go and do MBA. He moved to Atlanta, and to support his really expensive MBA, I had to keep working in California while he left his job and went to Atlanta and did his MBA. I told him, this is 1 year you are taking, when the time will come, I will take that year off, and you will work. That was my investment for education. Last 1 year, I'm not working. I'm spending this money. I have credit card of his. Most of the time, I carry his debit card. The only thing I do, take care of my son. Moral of the story: if you want to invest in education, first marry the person, and then invest. So, for the benefit of guests, I would like to tell that typical Toastmaster meeting has 3 sessions. First is prepared speech session, where the members of the staff, they prepare the speech and come with a certain goal. We get our evaluator and a mentor. So evaluate the speech and tell them how did they do. The second part of the session is table topic session, where when table topic master will pick up the speakers from the audience, anyone, and the person has to come here and speak either for 1 or maximum for the 2 minutes. Third part is the most important part, what I feel, is the general evaluation, where general evaluator with his team, he will tell us how did we do in the meeting. We'll evaluate the meeting from the starting to the end and let us know where we can improve and how we can improve. With that, today we have only 1 speaker for the prepared speech session. Before introducing the person, I would like to call his general evaluator. Before that, I'd like to call our general evaluator, Mr. Anand Mahiran. Please introduce his team.